Unlock the boundless potential of AI by transforming your innovative ideas into tangible DeepSeek projects. This video will guide you through harnessing DeepSeek's powerful capabilities to build groundbreaking applications. We'll explore how to conceptualize and develop projects spanning natural language processing, code generation, and even creative writing, offering practical insights and inspiration every step of the way. First, identify a problem or a creative spark. Think about areas where advanced language understanding and generation could make a significant impact. Are you interested in automating complex linguistic tasks, assisting developers with code, or perhaps creating captivating narratives? Next, brainstorm specific project ideas within your chosen domain for natural language processing. Consider sentiment analysis tools, sophisticated chatbots, intelligent content summarizers, or even custom language tutors. The possibilities are vast. If code generation is your focus, envision a project that can translate natural language requests into functional code, assist in debugging, or even auto-complete complex programming structures. Think about streamlining development workflows. For creative endeavors, imagine tools that can co-author stories, generate poetry, or even help you brainstorm unique plotlines. DeepSeek can be your ultimate creative partner, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. Once you have a clear concept, delve into understanding how DeepSeek's specific features can be leveraged. Explore its strengths in understanding context, generating coherent text, and adapting to different styles and formats. Research existing applications that have utilized similar AI models for inspiration. Now, it's time to plan your project architecture and workflow. Consider how you will integrate DeepSeek into your application, manage data, and evaluate performance. Break down your project into manageable milestones to ensure steady progress. Finally, begin building. Focus on iterating and refining your application based on testing and user feedback. Remember, every successful DeepSeek project starts with a bold idea brought to life through thoughtful development and a passion for innovation. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and exciting DeepSeek project showcases.